Okay guys, a video on the S&P 500 keeps going up. Look at this 4-hour chart. How many green candles we have in a row. Yeah, that's crazy. I think maybe if oil keeps dropping like this, we're gonna get maybe something like here, like 1 or 2 4-hour red candles and then just continue. Really don't know when this could top. If we look at separate stocks, for example Nvidia, yeah, this one either is gonna do this or it's gonna break out more directly, but in both scenarios I think a little bit more upside is realistic here. Amazon also doesn't give a pullback. I think this one will. Sooner or later I'm gonna delete this line because that's a bit too much, too steep. And I'll adjust these FIBs here. So just to backtest this range maybe with this FIB. So it's not nothing too bad, but like we need to see some redness as well, okay? It's just healthy price action. If we then look at Meta could have formed a low here or trying to, and then is gonna move up, I assume, because this is a 5-wave move, 3-wave move down. What I can do for Meta is, if we are bearish, we want to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. I'm gonna pull FIBs from this to this and toggle on the 618. Once we hit this now, if we go up, it invalidates the bearish scenario and it increases the probabilities that, yep, we are in this wave 3, okay? So this one does have room to the upside. I'm just trying to go over them quickly to see like what the S&P might do, okay? Here Google as well, structurally it's really, what the fuck did I do here? No, wait, I need to fix this. But I don't know how, like now it's a different screen, I don't want that. Oh shit. Yeah, whatever, I'll fix it. Wait, I have to fix it. I need to go back like this until my misclick happened. Sorry. Okay, here we are. Now my adjustments are gone, but I will make separate videos on them also. I'll have to adjust it then anyways. So yeah, Google waiting for a pullback, I can just adjust these FIBs with it, and the highest volume was still here. So that's why I'm, yeah, not surprised it keeps going. If this is a somehow like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 4, 5 would make most sense because we have the highest volume in here, okay? Microsoft also looks like the correction here is done. We reacted to the 0.5, now trying to get above this trend line and above this cluster. Once we do, yeah, upside price action is also here realistic. So with this you can see like, yep, some stocks do want a correction or do want a correction soon, but also it's not crazy to think, yeah, they can move up a bit more on the local time frame, okay, on the local, like on the local price action, I guess. If you look at Apple, Apple did also break out here, did hit now the 886 from this high and is gonna take the high, okay, is on the way to take the high. So I think directly also with this then the S&P will, yeah, have upside pressure, okay? So if you then look at all those stocks, let's quickly look at Oracle as well. Yep, here Oracle 1-2 setup is breaking above this point of control at 193.44. If you can hold it, yeah, price action to the upside is the favored scenario here as well, okay? Yeah, it can be choppy, it can do like red candles, it can't go vertically. But because of most of these leaning rather to upside or like stabilizing price action, I think the S&P can still continue here, okay? And that's why I have like no labeling here. Maybe what I can do is, if this is like an extended fifth wave, 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 in a fifth wave, I guess, okay? Like this, we can add a target box. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.